Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Piper. Happy birthday to you. Yay! How old are you? Yeah, Piper, how old are you? Are you 2?
How old are you?
Can you blow out your candles?
I'm surprised she didn't say 4. Blow them.
Piper, go.
Blow them out.
Go.
Blow it out, quick. Brady wants up. Let him out there.
Better hurry or Brady's gonna blow them out.
Gonna do it.
Hi, cutie. Whoops, I did one. Try it, Piper, blow.
Blow it.
Grab it. Yay! All right.